The Carneddau Landscape Partnership is a 5-year funded partnership from the National Lottery Heritage Trust. And we do a lot of volunteer days, which is one of the volunteer days that we are on today, which is the gorse clearance. The Carneddau Landscape Partnership is trying to get as many community members around the Carneddau involved in the projects and involved in not only understanding the Carneddau landscape, but also engaging with it in hope that more and more people will help protect it in the future.
So we're here today in Pen y Gaer, hillfort, Iron Age hillfort with a group of volunteers from Cymdeithas Eryri. We're working together today to remove the gorse off the hillfort. So we're cutting the gorse by hand and then we're burning it in the cages here behind us. We're coming at this work from two perspectives. We're looking at getting rid of the gorse from a archaeological standpoint, so we're rediscovering the sort of archaeological features here, and also from a conservational aspect. So particularly for this site, we're looking at restoring some of the heathland, whilst at other sites we have across the Carneddau project, we've got in Carneddau and in Snowdonia, we're looking to restore the habitat to make it more appropriate and better for the chough.
The hill fort itself is an amazing site, and it's one of a number of large hill forts that run around the top end of the Conwy Valley and the North Wales coast. But this one is really spectacular. It encloses quite a large area on the top of the hill fort, and it has 3 lines of defences, a wall line on the inside and then 2 lines of earth and stone banks with deep ditches between them. And then on the outside, in a couple of places of these defences, it has these strange and unusual features that we call chevaux de frise, which is where a whole series of pointy stones have been set on end as a deterrent to people who were thinking of attacking the site. And we now know that crammed into the interior of the hill fort were a very large number of roundhouses, and we know that because we can see the circular platforms from where the houses were positioned. We'll go and find out a bit more now about the work that the volunteers are doing.
So I'm Richard Bronstrom, I'm a local person. I live just over the hill here, just underneath this fantastic Iron Age hill fort of Pen y Gaer, and the difference is fantastic. And for the first time in decades, you can stand here as a visitor and actually see the outline of the ramparts of the fort. But for me anyway, the feel-good factor of being able to do something genuinely useful with a result that you can see as you do it, that will benefit the whole of our society, all our residents and our visitors for decades to come. That's really great. You know, it makes it all worthwhile.
My name is Gareth Parry from Bangor. I've been volunteering with Cymdeithas Eryri. This is my 3rd year now. I enjoy working with the society. You get to meet people, talk to people, and it's very friendly. That there's no pressure at all. You just go at your own pace. There's no pressure to work hard. Just do it at your own pace.
If you'd like to volunteer, please do. The Snowdonia Society, Cymdeithas Eryri, provides opportunities for the public to volunteer throughout the year. There's usually a few things going on, 2 or 3 every week perhaps on average. All our volunteers give us great feedback all the time. You know, the work is sociable, you can meet other people, lots of time to chat throughout the day. If you're not so keen on chatting, that's fine. There's practical work to get involved with. You can get engrossed in that. It's, practical work, good exercise, always in beautiful surroundings and for a good cause.